Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for Southern sweet potato casserole. This is my family's favorite side dish for the holidays or for the weekend when we want something sweet yet filling. So to get started, I start with a can of Bruce's yams, and basically I follow the recipe on the can using brown sugar, a little bit of butter, and you have the perfect sweet potato casserole. So what I like to do is open the can, place the yams into the skillet, mash them up with the brown sugar and butter. And once you have them mashed up, everything is well incorporated. Allow them to simmer on the stove just long enough to get everything heated up, all the sugar melted, and the butter combined into the sweet potato mixture. Then I like to go ahead and add my spices. I prefer to add a mixture of pumpkin pie spice and allspice to my sweet potatoes, but you can add whatever you prefer. Then I also like to add a little bit of a secret ingredient here. If you're from the South, you can definitely tell what that ingredient is. Now you're ready to place your sweet potatoes into a nonstick baking dish. You don't have to grease the dish or anything because it is nonstick. Once it is smoothed out, go ahead and add on your mini marshmallows. You want to add just enough so that you have a even layer that is not too dense, but enough that it covers the potatoes and everyone will get a generous portion. Then place it on the top rack of your oven. Here I have other Thanksgiving side dishes cooking, so I have my oven set at 375. You want to make sure you watch them because the marshmallows will burn quickly if they are too close to your eye. But it is definitely acceptable to put this in with other side dishes if you're cooking for Thanksgiving or some other holiday. And now it is time to serve. I like it best when it just comes out of the oven because it is hot. Everything is still gooey. Those marshmallows are ooey and gooey. And it serves as the perfect bite. And there you have it. Southern Appalachian sweet potatoes. Perfect every time.